Types of family. Look at this flow chart. Types of family based on birth, family of orientation, family of procreation. Based on marriage, monogamous, polygamous, and polyandrous. Based on residence, matrilocal, patrilocal, change residence. Based on ancestry or descent, matrilineal, patrilineal. Based on nature of relation, conjunctual and consanguineous. Based on authority, matriarchal and patriarchal. Based on size of structure, nuclear, joint, extended. A detail going on. First, based on birth, family of orientation. The family in which an individual is born is his family of orientation. Family of procreation, the family where an individual sets up after his or her marriage is his or her family of procreation. A family of orientation and procreation may live together under the same roof, but can still be distinguished. Second, based on marriage, monogamous family. This family consists of one husband and one wife, including children, and it's based on monogamous marriages. Polygamous family, a family consisting of one husband and more than one wife, and all the children born to all the wives are adopted by each of them. This type of family has its basis in the polygamous form of marriage. Polyandrous family, a family made up of one wife and more than one husband, and the children, either born or adopted with each one of them. This family is based on polyandrous marriage. 3. Based on residence, family of matrilocal residence. When a couple stays in the wife's house, the family is known as family of matrilocal residence. family of patrilocal residence. When a family stays in the house of husband, the family is known as family of patrilocal residence. Family of changing residence. When a family stays in the husband's house for some times and moves to wife's house, stays there for a period of time, and then moves back to husband's parents or starts living in another place, the family is called a family of changing residence. Four, based on ancestry or descent. Matrilineal family. When ancestry or descent is traced through the female line or through the mother's side, the family is called matrilineal family. Patrilineal family, a family in which the authority is carried down the male line, descent in traced through the male line or the father's side, is called a patrilineal family. Six, based on the nature of residence. Conjugal family. The conjugal family is made up of adults among whom there is a sexual relationship. It refers to a family system of spouse and their dependent children. The emphasis is placed on the marital relationship that exists between spouses. In modern times, the term conjugal family is being used for partners who have a long-term sexual relationship but are not actually married. Consanguine family. A family is made up of members among whom a blood relation exists, or those who are conjugal kin. That is a family consisting of parents and children, siblings, brothers and sisters. 5, based on authority. Matriarchal family. Matriarchal families are generally found in matrilineal societies. In these families, a woman is the head of the family and authority is vested in her. Succession of property is through the female line. Only daughters inherit the property. After marriage, the husband resides in the wife's house and descent is traced through the mother's side. Her children are brought up in mother's house. Thus, in matriarchal societies, the matrilocal system exists. Matriarchal families are found only in matrilineal societies, which are very limited in number all over the world. They are found in parts of Latin America, parts of Africa and India. The chief characteristics of matriarchal family. Descent is calculated through the mother, not the father, because maternity is a fact, while paternity is only an opinion. This is the matrilineal system. Second, marriage relations are fleeting. The husband is sometimes merely a casual visitor. 3. The children are brought up in the home of the wife's relatives. Descent is not only matriarchal but also matrilocal. 4. The authority in the family rests in the hands of wife or in some representative of the wife's kin. 5. Property is transferred through the mother, and only females succeed to it. Patriarchal family. Patriarchal families are commonly found in all parts of the world, since most societies in the world are patrilineal societies. In patriarchal families, the head of the family is a male, and authority is vested in him. Descent and property is passed through the male line, and children are brought up in father's house. Such families are patrilocal in nature. The chief characteristics of patriarchal family. The wife after marriage comes to live in the home of husband. The father is the supreme lord of the family property. Three, descent is calculated through the father. The children are known by the name of the family of their father. Four, the children can inherit the property of their failure only. They have no right over the property of mother's family. Seven, based on state or structure. Nuclear family. A nuclear family is a small group consisting of a husband, a wife, and children. Natural or adopted. It is more or less an autonomous unit that is not under the control of adults or elders of the family. It consists of two generations only. In all modern societies, nuclear family is the most common type of family. In fact, nuclear family is both the consequence as well as the cause of the disintegration of joint family. Joint family. A joint family consists of three generations living together under the same roof, sharing the same kitchen and economic expenses. It is a family consisting of three nuclear families living together. A joint family is a group of people who generally live under the same roof, who eat food cooked at one home, who hold property in common, and who participate in common family worship and are related to each other as some particular type of allied. Based on dominance. First, metronymic. Family ancestry is the name of the mother. Second, patronymic. Family name after father. Three, immediate. Consist of mother, father, and children. 4. Conjugal family. Husband and wife lives together. 5. Consanguineous family. Blood related with together. Other types. 1. Blended mixed together family. Second, extended family. Extended family, a group of relatives such as those of three generations who live in close geographic proximity rather than under the same roof. Blended family, a family that includes children of a previous marriage of one spouse or both. Thank you. Have a good day.